guys, it's me Nyssa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, gustong gusto ko talagang gawin to. And ngayon mag-unbox tayo ng Map of the Soul 7 version 2. Alam ko matagal na itong na-release, pero gusto kong i-unbox siya sa inyo. Actually, na-unbox ko na to kasi excited akong makita kung sino yung photo card niya. Kaya gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung laman nito. Gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Bago lumabas yung bagong album ng Bangtan na Dynamite. And someday, sa mga next vlog ko, gusto ko rin mag-unbox ng Dynamite. So, let's start! Paano pala magbo-voice over? I'll do voice over na lang while pinapakita ko. Wait, yung liwanag. While pinapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nasa loob nito. Kasi gabi na guys, 12 AM na dito sa amin. So this is the front page of the album. It says Map of the Soul 7 version 2. And this is the back view of the album. There is a Big Hit Entertainment logo. And BTS logo. First, we have this cute card. It has a BTS photo and logo. It says Map of the Soul 7 and ARMY. And in the back, we have their signs. Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jang Ha-seok, Park Ji-min, Kim Taeyang, Jun Jungkook, BTS. And next, we have the note. But I can't read it. Next, we have this cute, crazy sticker. Same lang siya ng photo na pinakita ko yung first card. Same yung photo na dyan sa stickers. And look, the hair! Oh my gosh! It's so cute! I will not use this. Tatabi ko lang to as a remembrance. And then, we got this QR code on Weebly. You can scan it in the Weebly app. It says, scan the QR code on Weebly and get the MD and cash. Then next, the photo card! Dadan! It's Min Yoongi! Oh my gosh, my baby! I'm so happy that I got this photo card of Min Yoongi because Suga is my bias in BTS. And the pack. It says Map of the Soul 7 again, and look at the detail. So nice! Next, we have this audition information for Big Hit. Kung gusto nyo mag-audition sa Big Hit, nandiyan yung information na dapat nyo tignan. Then, next, this paper, Map of the Soul 7. And we got this lyric book. In the back, you can see the track list. Also in the first page, there is a track. And the first is Persona.
Persona, who the hell am I? I just wanna go, I just wanna fly, I just want.
Special thanks. Thanks to RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope. Thanks to V, thanks to Jimin. And last but not the least, Jungkook. And in the last page, you can see the credits. I know there is a missing piece. Wala na yung poster dito. But, papakita ko na lang yung picture. And especially, hindi mawawala to. Ito talaga yung pinakahihintay. The photo book. Itong photo book nila, hindi siya nakabind or naka-stapler. Kaya, pwede mo siyang gawing poster. And sa gitna ko siya bubuksan para makita nyo na mas maganda. First na makikita nyo is yung group photo. Next, V. Kim Taeyong. Next is Jimin Shi. My Angels. And next, Jungkook. Jungkook. I love his earrings. Individual photo of Jungkook. Next is my bias, Min Yoongi. Individual photo of Min Yoongi. Wow. As in wow. Then next is my Mama's bias, Jin. Kim Suk-jin. Then we have Kim Namjoon, my first ever bias, my bias breaker, my love, and the reason why I stand BTS. Kim Namjoon. We have our dancing machine, J-Hope, Jung Ha-suk. J-Hope is really wow, as in wow. I can't say anything to J-Hope because he is so handsome, he's so talented, his voice, everything. Next, we got this group photo. Ta-da! And lastly, the CD. Ayaw ko siyang alisin kasi wala lang. Ayaw ko siyang magasgasan, ayaw ko siyang hawakan. Ganon. Super precious siya sa akin. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and give thumbs up. See you again to my next video. Annyeong!